MVP in the house. Man, I've had some crazy shit happen today, man. Gold's usually on bedrock, on clay. It sinks the farthest. But man, I dove for the first 3 cleanups today and it wasn't so hot. First one was really good, but kind of stayed on top here. I'll turn you around real quick. So I unearthed that big ass rock there. It used to be right here. I rolled it that way. I mean, I dove that bedrock, kept going down with it. Literally got 6 pieces of gold in one cleanup. I was so mad from diving too. So I decided to stay on top, and this cleanup is freaking killer. I got, I don't know, 3-4 pickers in there. Unbelievable. I still got that to clean out. That's gonna be nice. I see 3-4 nails up in there. It's probably gonna be another pickers in there. Usually is some bigger gold up on top. But man, it's my weight belt. I can't figure out how to use it. I don't know how to use it. It just falls right.